So we have another property. So may adlaw sa tanan. Dinhi sa sulod sa Pilipinas ug sa gawa sa Pilipinas. Okay. Ito, we have another property for sale. This is tax declaration. Dili pa siya titulado, guys. It's 1 hectare plus at 160 pesos per square meter. So 1.6 million ang katidad ani. So dili lang titulado, located here in Barangay Bicao, Carmen, Bohol. So it's in the middle of Bohol. Yeah, book now, it's cold place. Yeah, good environment. Near highway, always sa highway, guys. Then second lot from Barangay Road. So the owner said, no, the owner said that this road right away going to the barangay road is kuan kanang they have an agreement with the owner of this that they can also pass. So if you are going to buy this property, no problem with the barangay road kay nag-agreement naman sila. Okay, let's go, no. So this can be the property line straight, no. Then the owner says since the rice field is part of the property he is selling, he will give this portion to the owner of the road right away. So meaning ang yang kini kain basak naman ni siya rice field, iyang ihatag sa kanang tag-iya aning agianan para libre na siya agianan. Meaning if you buy this property, you have already the road right away, and this is the property, no. Kini guys, all are with flat terrain, no. As coconut trees, nanay mga kuan din, mga sitawagan ni tundan kuan, di po ni matawag og basa nindot ta kayo ni mga saging nga tundan. This is included, guys. Then if you're worrying about the kuan, the water, no, kana mo flooding gamay, no problem kay basak na mas ubos. You can just make a drainage, no. Oh. So this one also, pero kini laging rice field iya naman ni ihatag kay para
right away.
Right away. So mo na ni siya. Because the boundary is there, the other side. This one lagi pero apil pa man re. So mo na pero mo na ni imong mo na ni ang baligya gyud kini. Going straight dire.
Yeah, mari kakao.
Mari kakao. So this is the boundary line kini. Madri kakao may tawag na mo ani. So kini guys, paano siya?
Ana pilapil ana basak, ana murag basak-basak kana dito.
This one, yeah. This one. So up to this Gemelina tree, connecting to that, no? Then up to the kanang bamboo trees. Kining Gimilina trees guys, mo nagingong utlanan. This is the boundary.
Diri. Kana ba ikaw? Lapas pa ng ano Gimili na.
Lagi.
Dira. Kana ba ikaw na? Gamay. Oh, na. Oh, anak dia, taman. Anak dia.
So, kasagaran guys, ang ilahang ginagihimong boundary kining Madri Cacao. Kay long lasting man sa nang Madri Cacao. Mo na ginahimo po namong coral fence. So going straight to, dako kayo. This is 1 hectare ra gyud ang iya ibaligya. So kanang mga bamboo trees are included. Ibaligya sa niyang apil. So musukod lang tani. We will just subdivide a portion of 1 hectare kay na may nagbantay ninyo ta. They have a tenant. Mo na to ilang agreement, ilang tagaan si tenant. Ay nindot kini mag-tenant ta. Naamoy yo ta ayaw gid pabutan ni tenant. Impas gid mo. Kuhaan gid ninyo ta.
Uy, lilian. Dako pa kuno nga to. Padung pa nga to, Brad.
Oo.
Pwede ra ko tada rira.
Lili lang ta diri. Naibalay sa tenant guys. According to the owner, iya lang kuno ilihay pero nag-straight. So nang balay dire, lihayan lang kuno inganaan lang kuno pod. Marag iyang lihayan ba para dili gid makuan. Nagsabot na sila. So dako pagipatag there are coconut trees daghan no. So nindot kayo. So kini guys, ang gusto ni owner ang patag ra gyud, all the flat terrain ra gyud ang ibaligya. Meaning the boundary is cliff na. Wala niyo kabantay kani oh. So dili na gyud pwede. Pero kung ganahan ka imo ginpaliton diri dapit type, you want to buy this all, magsabot lang ko no. He can guarantee no there is what's this? Kuan. Basta daghan og kuan. This is part of the property pero bakilid naman slope na so gusto ni owner ang patag pero ganahan jud ka sukdon lang nato. Okay? For inquiries just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title and we have also website www.propertyph.net. The location is Barangay Bicao, Carmen, Bohol, in the middle of Bohol. Few minutes drive from Chocolate Hills town proper, 1 hour drive from Tagbilaran City or less than 1 hour drive from Tagbilaran City. Cold place, bugnaw ang lugar. Electricity no problem, water we can dig a well, so everything is all right. Bitaw okay ra na guys. Kining tax deck manggod usahay manggod, you are afraid because it's tax declaration, you are afraid that there will be someone will claim in the future. Di man na mao, ato lang kuhaan og i-due diligence lang nato para kuan simbra man sa title. Pero atong title mag-exchange lang dito kaya na ititulo. Advantage ang title pero tax decree gyud nga gwapo sad. Pwede ra man na nimo gud paliton. I-survey lang nato. Then pagka mag-survey mana tukuran nimo balay. So limpyo na kayo, mas nindot na kaysa mo palit ka og kadtong mga sa government kuan nga bilong. Wala man wala man problema ning tax day ka, naman ng tag-iya. So okay ra gid kayo ni paliton guys. Di ka angay mahadlok or something nga afraid na someone will claim in the future. No. Duha ka buok, 2 signatures. Okay? Thank you and God bless to all. Bye bye. Kira.